Nag-resign na si dating DPWH Secretary Rogelio Babe Singson bilang Commissioner ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure o ICI. Unang ibinalita ng dating kongresista na si Jing Paras sa At the Forefront ng Bilyonaryo News Channel ang pagbibitiw ni Singson. Narito ang agenda report ni Attorney Karen Jimeno.
Nagbitiw na raw sa kanyang pwesto sa Independent Commission on Infrastructure si Rogelio Babes Singson. Ayon kay Jacinto Paras na Presidential Advisor for Political Affairs ni FPRRD.
I bumped into Babe Singson.
Oh, okay.
He told me that he has already tendered his resignation effective December because hindi niya nagugustuhan yung ICI. That's what he told me. He told me in front of a former congressman. We bumped into a restaurant in Rockwell. So, pati si Babe Singson does not warrant the ICI.
Sa kanyang text message sa Bilyonaryo News Channel, sinabi ng former DPWH Secretary na winding up na siya dahil mga lawyers na aniya ang kailangan ng komisyon. Kalaunay kinumpirma na rin ni ICI Chairperson Andres Reyes Jr. na nagbitiw na nga si Singson. Effective December 15 daw ito, pero maaaring ma-extend hanggang December 21.
He mentioned the very intense and stressful ICI work as taking stock on this aging country.
Isa si Paras sa nag-file ng ikalawang petisyon sa Supreme Court na humahamon sa constitutionality ng ICI. Giit niya, hindi na kailangan ang ICI dahil ang mandato nito na mag-imbestiga ay kapareho lang ng trabaho ng Office of the Ombudsman.
The President does not have the power to create an office. It's an undue delegation of legislative power. Second, he cannot allocate funds when there is no item in the, and that's even technical malversation. Yung ginagawa niyang pinupondo niya, walang appropriation from Congress. If you want to create a body that the purpose is to investigate and find culpability in corrupt officials, it should not be limited to own infrastructure. It shall include Bureau of Customs, Bureau of Internal Revenue, National Allegation Administration.
Nang tanungin si Paras kung babanggain ba ni former Speaker Martin Romualdez ang kanyang pinsan na si PBBM, hindi raw siya sigurado rito. Pero binanggit niya na normal sa isang tao na isipin ang kanyang sariling kaligtasan.
In this world kasi, survivor is the name, di ba?
So,
survival would be, a thing. Kasi kung ikaw lang namang ilalaglag, the other guy who is the mastermind will go scot-free. That's against our human nature, di ba?
Fraternity brother ni Paras si Romualdez. Para sa agenda, Attorney Karen Jimeno, Bilyonaryo News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.